now getting inserted at station point A. Okay. Station point P is being decided to peg B. Inserted at point B on ground. This is our leveling staff. Leveling staff is basically a big scale. આપણે જે ફૂટપટ્ટી વાપરીએ છીએ ને એ ફૂટપટ્ટી કેટલા સેન્ટીમીટરની હોય? 30 સેન્ટીમીટરની. આ લેવલિંગ સ્ટાફ is a big scale or long scale of length 4 meter. Okay, showing you the closed view of leveling staff. See, the zero of the leveling staff is here, right? Each division of leveling staff is of thickness 5 mm. Okay, and the vertical distance between two divisions is also 5 mm. This and this distance, vertical distance is 5 mm. So 0 is here, 5 mm for this is 0.05, right? 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, so this height from here to here, this height is 5 centimeter. Then this height is 10 centimeter. Okay, so up to here, how you will take the reading? You will take first reading as the left side of the staff, 0. Then next reading 0 point, this is 10 centimeter. So in meter terms it will be 0.1 meter. So reading is 0 point, this is 10, so this is 1. Okay, 0.1 or 0.10 meter. Getting? So at coming to the top of the bar, here it completes the 10 centimeter, right? Then from here to here 5 mm, from again here this thickness is 5 mm. So from here to here this is again 1 centimeter, right? So if our reading falls, or our crosshair, diaphragm crosshair falls here, then what will be our reading? Our reading will be 0.1, again 1, because 5 5 1 1 1 0. Okay, then if our crosshair of the diaphragm falls here, okay, so what will be reading? 0.1, 1 complete division, so again 1, and 5 mm for the third digit, so 0.115. Okay, so this way we have to take the readings up to 3 digits after decimal point. Okay, so you can have a close look at the staff. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 meter, 0.4, 0.5 meter. So see, it is written over 50 centimeter here, and in meter terms 0.5 meter, 0.6, 0.7, 8, 9, 100 centimeter or 1 meter. So if our diaphragm or reading of the diaphragm falls here, so it is 1.000 meter. That we have to take the readings: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 6, 7, 8, 2.1, 2.2, up to, if you can have a close look at the staff, up to 4 meter the staff length is available. Now the 4 meter length of the staff, whole length of the staff I am showing you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1.4, 1.8, 2.4, 2.5, 6, 9, 3 meter, 2.1, 2.3, 2.4, 2.8, 2.9, and 2.0 meter. Okay, so this is regarding the length of the staff. See, now we are fixing this instrument in the report stand. Now the temporary adjustment of dumpy level is again centering, leveling and bisecting, right? So centering operation that we'll be doing with the help of this plumb bob. Centering is putting the center of the instrument over the station point, exactly over the station point. See now, the plumb bob is exactly over the station point. Okay, so this we have done the centering. Our instrument is centered at the station point. Now comes the leveling outward, and I will simultaneously have the observation that bubble is coming in the center or not. इसमें इनवर्ड में नहीं आ रहा है तो मुझे आउटवर्ड मूव करने पड़ेंगे. आई एम मूविंग द स्क्रूज आउटवर्ड. Now bubble is coming in the center. So with the outward movement of the foot screws, I have brought the bubble centered. Now I am putting the telescope over the third foot screw, right? And now I will be moving the third foot screw either inward or outward such that the bubble comes in the center. Because of the sunlight, I cannot show you the centered bubble, but it is coming in the center after this movement of the foot screw. If you can observe, जैसे मैं फुट स्क्रू मूव कर रही हूँ, ये टेलीस्कोप की पोजीशन जो टिल्टिंग की वो सीधी हो रही है. This is now centered. I am putting again the telescope over the previous two foot screws, moving inward or outward. Outward movement से हो रहा है center. Outward bubble comes in the center. Then over the third foot screw. Centered. 3 times we have to do this procedure for the leveling operation. This is centered. After doing 2 times, for the third time it comes automatically in centered position. Third time जरूरत नहीं रहती, लेकिन it is prescribed that this operation should be done 3 times. So now for all the position of telescope, the bubble remains in center. Now third operation is dissection. Dissection इसके लिए जैसे मैंने कंपोनेंट की वीडियो में दिखाया था, ये हमारा आई वेन है और ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट वेन है. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा आई वेन का फोकसिंग स्क्रू है, राइट? एंड I have shown you the staff also and how to take the staff reading. So I will be taking my first reading on benchmark, any permanent benchmark, and then we'll start taking the readings. This is the picture of the diaphragm available in the telescope through which we have to take our readings. Okay, so this I am showing you for so that you can have some idea regarding how to see the reading. See, the diaphragm is of this type in our instrument. Okay, अपने telescope में इस type का diaphragm है. One vertical crosshair, one horizontal crosshair, and 2 small crosshairs at equidistance from this central one. Okay, so हमें reading कौन सा लेना है? जो ये central crosshair अपने staff पे कहाँ bisect होता है वो हमारा reading होगा. ठीक है, now see, this is the figure of our staff. Okay, so in this figure it is clearly mentioned that this is the 0 of the staff. This height is 5 mm. This height is again 5 mm. This height is 5 mm. This height is again 5 mm. So ऐसे करते करते ये हमारा 1 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 2 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 3 सेंटीमीटर, ये 4 सेंटीमीटर, ये 5 सेंटीमीटर है, राइट? सो यहाँ पर अपने स्टाफ की हाइट कितनी हो जाती है? 0.05 मीटर या फिर 5 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, तो इन मीटर टर्म्स डिवाइडेड बाय 100 इट कम्स टू 0.05 मीटर. ऐसे करते करते ये 6, ये 7, ये 8, ये 9 और ये 10 सेंटीमीटर. सो 10 सेंटीमीटर इन मीटर टर्म्स इट कम्स टू बी 0.1 मीटर. ओके, अब देखो ऐसे हमको रीडिंग पढ़ने हैं, राइट। सो अगर हमारा रीडिंग यहाँ पर है, हमारा ये जो क्रॉसहेयर है, ये हमारा डायफ्राम, उसका ये सेंट्रल हेयर अगर यहाँ पर फॉल होता है, यहाँ पर, राइट, सपोजिंग ये यहाँ फॉल हो रहा है, तो हमारा रीडिंग क्या होगा, 0.09 यहाँ कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं, 9 सेंटीमीटर है, राइट। ये लेंथ, ये कितना हुआ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 सेंटीमीटर इज दिस मच हाइट। सो हमारा रीडिंग होगा 0.090 मीटर, ठीक है। अगर हमारा क्रॉस हेयर यहाँ पर फॉल होता है तो हमारा रीडिंग क्या होगा, अगर ऐसे आता है तो रीडिंग क्या होगा, ये 1 कंप्लीट है, 10 सेंटीमीटर कंप्लीट है, 11 12 13 14 सेंटीमीटर, हमारा रीडिंग क्या होगा, 0.140 meter because this is 14 centimeter. Okay, done now. Okay, now see, I'm taking my first reading at benchmark. Benchmark is any permanent object available surrounding the station point. Okay, so this is the electric pole is the permanent object, so I have kept my benchmark there and putting my first backside, so that staff is put up at the station at particular point, and I am bisecting the object. The first reading which we take in dumpy level is our backside. So the reading I am taking, I noted it down, and my reading is 0.610. I am done with my first reading. આગળ આવી જાઓ, 1 મીટર ટેપ ઉપર જુઓ, 1 મીટર પર આવો. Reading happens to be back side always. Second reading is called as intermediate side. We will take 4 intermediate sides, and then the last reading will be our 4 sides. Okay, so the second reading, intermediate side, the reading is 0.650. આગળ આવી જાઓ. Now my second intermediate side, second intermediate side, my reading I am observing 0.700. આગળ આવી જાઓ. So reading 0.730. આગળ આવી જાઓ. 0.780. આગળ આવી જાઓ. And this is my last intermediate side, 0.790. Okay, and now my back 4 side, last reading with this position of the instrument. This reading is 0.925, right? So this is all regarding taking readings through dumpy level. Okay, and how to do the calculations and the rise and fall method and height of instrument method, that will be seen in the other video.